Tesla Model Y cars. Tesla's Model Y is an impressive electric compact crossover that offers a range of up to 326 miles on its long-range variant. For the performance-focused, the Model Y offers a top speed of 155 mph and a 0-60 mph rating of 3.5 seconds if you select the performance configuration. Tesla unveiled a new battery electric crossover named Model Y during a private event held at its Los Angeles design studio. Heavily based on the Model 3, the Y is a smaller, more affordable alternative to the Model X that will likely become the California-based company's best-selling model. Buyers can reserve one today by sending Tesla a refundable $2,500 deposit. The first deliveries are tentatively scheduled to take place in 2020. The Model Y doesn't stray far from Tesla's current design language. When viewed from the front, it borrows many styling cues like swept-back LED headlights from the Model 3. It's not equipped with the X's trick Falcon rear doors because Tesla has gone to great lengths to make its smaller cars simpler and consequently cheaper to build than its bigger models. Its arched roofline is reminiscent of the Model X's, and it flows into a rear end with an integrated spoiler. The 3's high-tech, the minimalist interior carries over to the Model Y with only minor modifications. A 15.0-inch, television-like touchscreen mounted on the dashboard replaces a vast majority of the buttons, dials, and stalks commonly found in modern cars, a configuration that's unique to Tesla. It displays the infotainment system, which includes standard navigation, and it lets the front passengers perform a variety of functions like folding the door mirrors, adjusting the steering wheel, and turning on the headlights. And that's just the tip of the tech iceberg. Model Y owners will notably be able to use their smartphone to lock and unlock the car via Bluetooth signal. The bigger dimensions make the Y more family-friendly than the 3. It offers seating for up to 7 passengers, though the 7-seater configuration is a $3,000 option, and Tesla notes its trunk space checks in at 66 cubic feet, considerably more than the Model 3. And because it doesn't have the X's Falcon doors, owners will be able to install a roof rack. With an EPA estimated range of 316 miles, the Model Y easily achieves the second highest rating of any electric SUV, eclipsed only by Tesla's larger Model X at 121 mpge combined. It's more efficient than any electric vehicle on the market except the smaller Model 3. One of the highest compliments we can give this Model Y is that it's a better car than the Model 3, which was a Car of the Year finalist. While providing more space for people and gear, it is effortlessly smooth with quick, agile steering, a button-down though firm ride, flat power delivery, and integrated regenerative brakes that allow for one-pedal driving. Features editor Christian Seabaugh said, "Autopilot remains among the best semi-automated driver aids in the business. There are some misses, however. Misaligned body panels, a frustratingly small rear window, and the occupant cooking glass roof show this is not the perfect crossover. Few vehicles do what they're meant to as well as the Model Y. It offers the commanding view of the road SUV buyers demand along with additional space for their family, pets, and cargo. It retains class-obliterating range while delivering performance only matched by sports cars at this price. Its technology is class-leading and ever-evolving but still easy to operate. It feels like I'm driving the future," Motor Trend Anna Spanel managing editor Miel Cortina said. Besides that, it drives awesome. It's powerful, quick, and fun. But is it an SUV? With ground clearance a spare 6.6 inches, just 1 inch more than a Toyota Camry sedan, and well below the accepted industry standard 8.5 inches, you sure aren't going off-roading in it. How much does a Tesla Model Y weigh? Long-range AWD, 4,416 lb, 2,003 kg. Performance AWD, 4,416 lb, 2,003 kg. Standard range RWD, 3,920 lb, 1,780 kg. The Tesla Model Y is an electric compact crossover utility vehicle, CUV, by Tesla, Inc. Tesla unveiled it in March 2019. Started production at its Fremont plant in January 2020 and started deliveries on March 13, 2020. Things we like about Model Y. 1. Good times behind the wheel. Thanks to DNA shared with the Model 3 sedan, The Model Y's suspension is aggressively tuned for sporty driving. The result is a decidedly un-SUV-like feel from behind the wheel. Some might find the ride overly stiff as a result, but the Model Y offers a sports car-like feel with quick steering response and taut reflexes. The electric powertrain provides instant throttle response and quick acceleration, with a Tesla-measured 0-60 mph acceleration time of just 4.8 seconds. 2. At home with the range, with an EPA-rated range of 326 miles, the Model Y can travel far enough between charges to make range anxiety a non-issue. To make things even better, the Trip Monitor feature works with the onboard navigation system to tell you how much energy will be needed to reach any destination entered in the system. The navigation system can also guide you to charging locations along the route. At home, the Model Y can charge at 21 miles of range per hour using a 24-amp circuit found in most homes equipped with a clothing dryer, but is capable of charging much faster at home. 3. Towing capacity. Beyond its appeal as an extremely capable electric vehicle, the Model Y is ready and able to perform the duties of any family SUV. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, Tesla can pull at least as much as many conventional small SUV and more than competing electric models. An optional tow package includes a tow bar with a 2-inch hitch receiver, along with the necessary wiring and a tow mode. 4. Loads of room with 3 separate storage areas. The 5-seat Model Y offers buckets of room for stowing cargo. There's the generously sized main rear cargo area, accessed by the rear liftgate, which can be further enlarged by lowering the folding rear seatbacks. A concealed compartment under the cargo floor provides additional secure storage. You also get a front trunk that measures 2.9 cubic feet, which is where the engine would reside in a conventional SUV. It all adds up to a more than ample storage area, especially for the size of the Model Y. 5. Relatively affordable price. Our test Model Y rang in at an as-configured price of $54,290 with options including 20-inch wheels. While not inexpensive, that's competitive with many other gasoline-powered luxury small SUV. It's also less than our recently tested Ford Mach-E First Edition, which carried a sticker price just shy of $60,000. Unfortunately, Tesla has sold too many cars to still be eligible for the volume-limited federal tax credit of $7,500, so don't expect any help from the feds with the appropriate setup.